Hi again, all my crafty friends. If you are new here, I'm Dawn, and you have found Designs by Gaddis. If you enjoy DIYs, flips, and everything farmhouse, you are in the right place. On my channel, I love bringing you fun, simple, and affordable home decor DIYs on a budget. If you're not subscribed, go ahead and hit the subscribe button. And if you like what you see, hit the bell notification and leave me a comment. Now for our first DIY. I was browsing the at-home website and saw these cute metal flowers and thought I'd give them a try using Dollar Tree and thrifted items. I had 3 of these Dollar Tree metal flowers in my stash. I had already painted 2 of them for a previous project, but thought they would be cute for this project. I gently lifted each of the petals up on the flowers. I painted one with Waverly Pool, one with Waverly Moss, and the third one with Waverly Ballet Slippers chalk paint. I thought these colors were close to the ones I saw on the at-home website. I made sure I was getting underneath the flower petals so none of the other color would show. I also made sure I painted the side of each petal. Once the paint had dried, I used Waverly plaster paint and a small fan brush to distress the flowers until I was happy with the way they looked. I had this sign in my stash that I had gotten from Dollar General after Thanksgiving. I think I gave like $2 for it. I used my hot air gun to try to loosen the hot glue on the back of the top boards. I was wanting to save them, but I wound up breaking one of them. After I got the board off, I was able to use my heat gun and a knife to remove the paper and most of the hot glue that was on the board. I did the same thing with the bottom board. The sign had brad nails holding the boards on, so I had to remove them. This was the hardest part of this whole project. I was able to use a pair of pliers and remove all but 2 of the nails. For these 2, I used a nail punch. I think that's what it's called anyway. I placed it on the nail and then used a hammer to push the nail back into the board. I then used fingernail polish remover to get rid of any leftover glue and the wording on the sign. I wasn't really sure if this would work, but let me tell you, fingernail polish to remove this stuff is amazing. It does make a big mess, but the lettering comes off so easily. I'm definitely going to be using this nail polish remover trick on other projects. Now to paint the board. I used Waverly mineral chalk paint and painted the entire board and distressed it a little with a baby wipe. I arranged the flowers how I wanted them on the board and then used super glue and hot glue to hold the flowers on the board. I placed the super glue on the bar on the back of the flower and also around the rim of each flower. If you want to help support my channel and help me continue to make DIYs for you, please consider buying me a coffee. All the information is in the description below. Now back to the DIY. Then after all the flowers were on my board, I used hot glue on the underside where a couple of the petals were touching the board. I used the hot glue just to hold the flowers in place until the super glue had set up. My project isn't exactly like the at-home one, but hey, I think mine turned out better. Let me know in the comments what you think and which one you like more. If you haven't already, go ahead and like this video and subscribe to my channel. I upload weekly home decor DIY videos, and you know you don't want to miss any of them. So go ahead and hit the bell notification so you'll be notified when I upload a new video. Until next time, happy crafting!